A service-based online business is the most profitable and beginner-friendly business model out there. But here is the truth. Most people choose the wrong skill and waste months learning something that won't make them money. There are hundreds of skills you can learn: video editing, graphic designing, social media management, web development, the list goes on. But here's what most people do. They either choose a skill because everyone talking about it or go for something that looks easy. The problem? Neither of those choices are based on what actually suits them. So they lose motivation, get stuck, and give up halfway because the skill doesn't match their interest, strength, and goal. And if you are thinking of starting a business of your own, then you may be wondering what skill you should learn first. Look, the goal isn't to find the perfect skill, it's to find your skill and start making money with it. Your first skill doesn't have to be your forever skill. I started with graphic designing, then moved into video editing, and now I'm making videos. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, please do subscribe my channel and help me grow.